Hi, today I'm going to tell you 5 scientific concepts as they relate to food. First, let's move on to chemistry. The Maillard reaction is a chemical reaction between amino acid and reducing sugar that gives round food its distinctive flavor. Seared steak, fried dumpling, cookies, and other kind of biscuit, bread, toasted marshmallows, and many other foods undergo this reaction. Also, cooking at high temperature with a dehydrated surface increases the reaction. Second, you can find science when you make a cookie. An immersion is a mixture of two or more liquids that are normally separated. And when you make a cookie, butter is an immersion. A mixture of the two substances won't stay together without butter. In this case, water and fat, along with some daily solid that help hold them together. As the butter melts, its trapped water is released. And as the cookie gets hotter, the water expands into steam. Egg is one of the ingredients of the cookie, and there is science. At 144 degrees, change begin in the proteins which come mostly from the egg in your dough. Eggs are composed of dozens of different kinds of proteins, each sensitive to a different temperature. In a fresh egg from the hen, the proteins looks like coiled up balls of string. When they are exposed to heat energy, the protein strings unfold and get tangled up with their neighbors. This linked structure makes egg nearly solid, giving substance to squashy dough. Next is fermented foods. I'm going to talk about the potential health benefit of fermented foods. The foods may improve your immune system and may reduce the risk of some metabolic disease that are influenced by diet. For example, the trillion of bacteria that naturally exist in yogurt. Last is jerky. Drying and curing meat is one of the classic methods to preserve meat for a long time. For your safety, beef needs to cook at 160-degree internal temperature to kill off any harmful bacteria, because this reduces the risk of E. coli. Also, curing salt kills bacteria and allows your jerky to last longer.